Sundar and Kishan run a 500-meter race in which Kishan maintains 5 miles per hour throughout, while Sundar runs at 8 miles per hour for the first 150 meters and then he runs at a speed of 4 miles per hour for the remaining part of the race. Okay, what is the distance rounded off to the near integer by which the winner beats the loser of the race? First of all, we'll try to understand how things are working out. This is a 500-meter race. Okay, in a 500-meter race, both Sundar and Kishan are running. Sundar is running throughout at 5 miles per hour. Okay, is running at 5 miles per hour, and then that's Sundar, that's Kishan. So we'll just change the names. While Sundar runs at a speed of 8 miles for the first 150 meters. So this is 150 meters and this is 350 meters. Right, this part he is running at 8 miles per hour and then he is going to reduce his speed to 4 miles per hour. So first of all, who's going to win? Let's understand. Let's look at Sundar. Sundar is the faster one to begin with. So at least the first 150 meters, Sundar is going to travel faster, correct? So what happens by the moment Sundar has come from here to here? Sundar has traveled 150 meters at a speed of 8 miles per hour. Let's try not to get into this business of converting into mile to kilometer, kilometer to meter and all that. Let's understand this in a more logical manner. Sundar has covered 150 meters at a certain speed. In the same time, where would Kishan be? While Sundar is traveling at 8, Kishan is traveling at 5, which means the ratio of their distances must be 5:8, correct? So if he is traveling 8, he will travel 5. If he is traveling 1, he will travel 5/8, correct? So in the same time that Sundar has traveled from 0 to 150, Kishan will travel 150 into Sundar traveled 150, his speed is 5, his speed is 8. Kishan will travel only 150 into 5/8, correct? Their ratio of their speeds is 5:8. If we travel 150, the other will travel only 150 into 5/8. So how much is this? This is 750 by 8. 750 by 8, that's 375 by 4. That's 187.5 by 2, which is 93.75. So this guy traveled 150. In the same time, Kishan traveled only 93.75. Okay, which is not very far. Now, how much distance does Kishan have remaining? The total length is 500. He's traveled 93.75. The remaining 406.25. 406.25 is remaining, correct? Kishan has to travel 406.25 more, while this guy has to travel 350 more. But he will travel at the same speed of 5 miles per hour. So 406.25 by 5 is just about 81 something. Now here 350 by 4 is how much? 87.5. This is only 80, this is 87.5. So what can we say? Kishan is going to take less time for the remaining journey as compared to Sundar. Quite clearly, the difference in speeds is playing a major role now. The remaining part I'll cover in some 80 something, he'll take longer. So how do we address it? Kishan is going to be the winner, Sundar is going to be the loser. Okay, having said that, now what's going to happen? Sundar has reached this point, Kishan has reached this point, Kishan has so much to go, Sundar has 350 more to go, right? Now, in the same time that Kishan travels 406.25, now the ratio of their speeds, previously it was 5:8, now it is only 5:4. So in the time that Kishan travels 406.25, the distances traveled by them will be in the ratio of 5:4. So how much will Sundar travel? He will travel into 4/5 times the distance, right? So 4 into 400, that's 1600. 4 into 6.25 is 25. So that's 1625 divided by 5. How much is that? 325, right? So in the same time he travels 406.25, Sundar is going to travel 325. Is that good enough? No, he has to actually travel 350. Means he'll reach somewhere here and he will lag by 25 meters. What does it mean? The moment when Kishan is at the ending point, Sundar is 25 meters behind him. So he beats him by a margin of 25 meters. So we can solve this question without any of the conversions or miles or kilometers at all. Just the ratios. ratios here are 5 and 8. Here they are 5:4. So he beats him by 25 meters.